Hi, I'm Dr. Suachla, Scientific Director with Ziva Fertility Centers. Dry fruits are nutrient rich, packed with healthy fats, antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that directly support a woman's fertility by improving ovarian function, hormonal balance, and egg health. We'll look at almonds first. The key nutrients are vitamin E, magnesium, healthy fats, and the benefits are many. Vitamin E protects eggs from oxidative damage. Magnesium in it supports hormonal regulation and reduces PMS symptoms. Just soak 5 to 6 almonds overnight and eat them in the morning for better absorption. Look at walnuts next. Omega-3 fatty acids are abundant in addition to selenium and antioxidants in walnuts. Walnuts support hormone production and healthy menstrual cycles. Omega-3, which is present in it, improves uterine blood flow and reduces inflammation. 3 to 5 walnuts a day can enhance overall reproductive health. Dry figs, or also called as anjeer, are rich in iron, calcium, potassium, fiber, and they can help in supporting ovulation, preventing anemia. It helps in maintaining a healthy uterine lining, and just by soaking 1 to 2 figs overnight and eating them with breakfast will be very useful. Dates are rich in iron, folate, fiber, vitamin B6, and they can boost energy and support the luteal phase of the menstrual cycle. Folate is essential for preparing uterus for implantation. Just eat 2 to 3 dates daily as a natural sweet snack. Dried apricots, which are rich in iron, fiber, vitamin A, potassium, can be very useful in maintaining hormonal balance. Iron supports egg quality and reduces the risk of ovulatory issues. Snack on 2 to 3 pieces or add it to smoothies and cereals. Pistas are rich in vitamin B6, zinc, potassium. The zinc in these can support progesterone production and egg maturation. B6 helps in hormone regulation and mood stability. Eat about 8 to 10 unsalted pistas as an afternoon snack. Raisins, or kishmish as we call it in Hindi, are rich in iron, antioxidants, boron, and can help in improving hemoglobin and preventing fatigue. Antioxidants in them support ovarian health and menstrual regularity. You can soak 5 to 6 raisins overnight and eat in the morning. For more such useful tips, please feel free to contact us.